This review will look at the Shower Filter Store April Shower Water Filter, also known as the Aroma Sense Shower Filter. This is a handheld shower filter and a product of Shower Filter Store, a subsidiary of Newmarket Naturals Inc., a family-owned company established in 1992, mainly to provide water filtration systems, including shower and bath filters. The April Shower filter is one of their innovative products. It's a combination of several filtration media, among them being vitamin C that effectively removes chlorine and chloramines from the shower water. The filter is able to remove several other common contaminants found in water. But what makes it stand out more is that it's more than just a filter. It emits vitamin C and negative ions into the water, which have beneficial effects on the skin, hair, and body. It also gives a soothing aromatherapy effect which is equally beneficial to the body. It does all these without affecting the water pressure and even reduces water consumption compared to many ordinary shower filters. Here is our in-depth review of it to give you more insight into what it offers and what you can expect from it. As mentioned earlier, the April Shower filter is equipped with several filtration media that help remove contaminants from the shower water and perform other functions. These media include a microfabric filter, an antibacterial ceramic ball, and a vitamin C filter. The April Shower Vitamin C shower filter, which sits inside the showerhead's handle, makes up the first stage of filtration. It's the most innovative and important feature of the April Shower filter. This media is highly enriched with vitamin C, equivalent to 3,000 lemons. It emits it into the water, effectively removing chlorine, chloramine, trihalomethane, and other contaminant residues. Vitamin C causes a disruption that alters the balance of both chlorine and chloramines, hence stripping them of their toxicity. It completely clears out up to 98% of all the chlorine and chloramine present in the shower water. Vitamin C as well promotes healthier hair and skin. It's delivered to all parts of the body through shower water, and it affects the texture of the skin, increasing its firmness while leaving it soft and smooth. This April Shower Vitamin C filter media also includes natural lemon oil, which is rich in antioxidants and helps detoxify and rejuvenate the skin. It also gives a soothing aromatherapy effect, alleviating stress, anxiety, and insomnia symptoms by relaxing the body and the mind. The aromatherapy effect of lemon oil also helps promote improved concentration, increased awareness, alertness, and increased energy. From the April Shower Vitamin C filter, the water goes through the antibacterial ceramic ball filter, which is highly effective in preventing germs and bacteria from developing within the showerhead. It kills bacteria and also deters bacterial and mold growth by breaking down the organic compounds in the water that comprise bacteria, like the bacterial cell membrane. The media is porous like dense spider webs, which have absorptive powers and deodorizing effects and boost the body's metabolism and activate cells by emitting far-infrared radiation. The final filtration stage is the microfabric filter media, which is another distinct feature of this April Shower filter. The microfabric filter clears all the fine rust and impurities that arise from worn pipes or polluted water tanks, thereby ensuring that water is free of rust particles and dirt. From the microfabric filter, the water finally comes out of the showerhead through the water spray plate, which is a stainless steel water plate with very fine triangular, polygonal-shaped holes. These fine holes emit 421,000 negative ions per cc, that's 4 times greater than those emitted around the Niagara waterfalls, which only emit up to 100,000 ions. They, in fact, generate 6 to 10 times greater amounts of negative ions compared to showerhead filters with water spray plates that feature round-shaped holes. Having such a high count of negative ions is really great because negative ions are beneficial to our bodies. They can increase the body's capacity to absorb and utilize oxygen, thereby promoting feelings of well-being and improving sleep quality. To sum it all up, the April Shower filter is a versatile and very effective shower filter that provides clean water that's free of chlorine, chloramine, and other contaminants and filled with vitamin C and negative ions. It keeps you safe from harmful toxins and gives you water that has beneficial effects on your skin, hair, and entire body. Vitamin C, in particular, promotes healthier hair and skin while generating antioxidants. It helps the skin and hair appear and feel younger, fairer, and softer. The aromatherapy effects from the lemon oil released in the water also leave you feeling refreshed and relaxed after showering. Many users have reported feeling the difference immediately after installing the April Shower filter. They mentioned that their hair felt cleaner and softer afterward, and their skin much more supple. Some equally reported that their skin's overall elasticity also increased. Beyond just cleaning your shower water and adding vitamin C and negative ions, the April Shower filter is perfect for masking unwanted smells or if you have a large bathroom due to the fragrance released by the aromatherapy cartridge. The Shower Filter Store April Shower filter effectively removes chlorine, chloramines, and other contaminants from the water. The fact that it also adds vitamin C, lemon oil, and negative ions into the water, all of which are beneficial to the skin and hair, puts it ahead of most other showerhead filters within the same price range. We also like the fact that it provides a strong and fine water stream and reduces water consumption compared to ordinary shower water filters. Overall, this is a great option for anyone looking specifically for a vitamin C shower filter that's also able to remove chlorine and other contaminants. It's an option you can consider too if you want to mask unwanted smells because it releases a strong aromatherapy fragrance that would effectively get rid of any foul smell in your bathroom. There's not much information on the warranty, but the manufacturer offers a money-back guarantee that applies for 30 days from the date of purchase. They also have responsive customer service. Many users reported that they respond quickly to customer queries and are always helpful in case of any issues with the filter.